I got the morning blinkies going, wake all my laborers up. But today we'll be finishing out this little area over here. We've been removing all these utilities and ripping out all this sidewalk. We're gonna put some vaults in. But you guys can see this cluster that we've been working in here. Down there we got it all cleared out and ready to be backfilled and the vaults put in. And over here you can see we still have a little progress. We're gonna get this all done today and then be on to the next site for a week or so.